Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a sourdough patty melt. All right, first thing we're doing is these are quarter-pound burger patties that I'm griddling up here, and just season them with salt and pepper. And that's really it. They take about 3 minutes aside. Oh, I'm using Lowry seasoning salt if you want to get specific, but regular salt's fine. Okay, time to give the burgers a flip, and then a couple of minutes more on the other side. Great way to tell when to flip your burgers. That brown stuff should be about halfway up the patty. All right. And now it's time to add the cheese. American cheese for these patties. Yeah, I know it's not the greatest for you, but God, does it make good... It goes great for burgers. And then we just want to add a little water here to our hot griddle, because you want to create some steam. And then just put a cover on it and give this about 30 seconds to melt up. Okay. Let's get these off the griddle cleaned, and on to patty number 2. Okay, got the griddle cleaned, and now once again, same here. 3 quarter-pound patties, salt, Lowry seasoning salt, and pepper, and cook them up just exactly like you did before. Okay, and then instead of American cheese, these patties are going to get some Swiss. Then we're going to spray down a little water, and once again, cover them up. Get a little steam going, and there we go. Okay, time to get these burgers off the griddle, clean it once again, and we're on for the third thing. Trust me, this will be the last time you have to clean it. And then you just want to toast up some slices of sourdough bread. All right, let's move on to assembly. Now, unfortunately, my camera, I forgot to actually hit record, so I'll have to give you the rundown. Basically, mayonnaise on the bottom piece of bread, lettuce, the American cheeseburger, mustard, ketchup, onions, Swiss, the Swiss cheeseburger, and of course, we have pickles. Okay, now let's start adding some strips of bacon to our sourdough patty melt. And now the top piece of sourdough bread also has mayonnaise on it. And that's really it. A sourdough patty melt. Done.